In today's video, I am going to teach you how to buy a currency pair on Pepperstone. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Pepperstone Creator platform. Once you are inside the platform, go to the chart for the currency pair you want to trade. This could be a pair like EUR/USD, GBP/USD, or any other pair available in your account. Open that chart so you can confirm that you are working with the correct market before placing your order. Next, find the New Order panel. You will usually see it on the right side of the platform. If it is not already open, you can also click New Order from the top toolbar. This will bring up the order entry window where you can set up your trade. After that, check that the correct currency pair is selected in the order panel. This is an important step because you want to make sure you are placing the trade on the exact pair you intended to buy. Now enter your preferred trade size in the quantity or lots field. Choose the amount that matches your trading plan and your risk level. Once you have entered the size, you can move on to risk management settings. If you want to manage your risk from the start, set a stop loss and a take profit level. The stop loss helps limit potential losses if the market moves against you. The take profit can automatically close the trade once your target price is reached. These settings are optional, but they are commonly used by traders for better control. Before placing the trade, review the order details carefully. Look at the estimated margin, the pip value, and any other information shown in the order panel. This helps you understand the cost and exposure of the position before you enter the market. Once everything looks correct, click the green Buy button. After that, wait for the order to be executed. In most cases, the platform will process the order quickly, depending on market conditions. When the trade has been opened, go to the Positions tab at the bottom of the platform. This is where you can see your active trades. Check that your new buy position appears there and confirm that it has been opened successfully. That is how to buy a currency pair on Pepperstone using Creator. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.